Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, how are you? You are welcome back to our learner virtual class. I hope that all you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also like you. By the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear student, let no more. Let us start our main topics. Remember, in the first class, I took a class about voice or voice sense, active to passive. But today, I will take a class about passive to active. Dear student, no problem. Better to understand. Sometimes I would like to speak in Bangla. Dear student, before going to start passive to active, at first we must learn what is voice and how many kinds of voice and the rules of active voice and passive voice. Dear student, what is voice? What is voice? Voice is the form of words, whereas subject does the work or something is done by it. The Bengali meaning of the sentence, কর্তা নিজেই কাজটি করে নাকি অন্যকে দিয়ে কাজটি সম্পূর্ণ করে। Dear student, now I am writing down the rules of active voice and passive voice. Active voice, at first subject, then main verb, and finally object. Passive voice, at first object will be subject, then tense and person. According to tense and persons, be verb, and after then main verb, 3 plus prepositions by, and finally subject will be object. The student, in the first class I wrote about it, but today I will write it again better to understand. Active to passive and passive to active. The student, bear in mind that before be verb and after be verb there is no sense, always the same rules, but be verb always be sense according to the subject and persons. Now I am discuss about be verb in the passive voice. If the active voice is present indefinite, be verb will be am, is, are according to the persons. If the active voice is present continuous, be verb will be am being, is being, and are being. If the active voice is present perfect, be verb will be have been oblique has been. The student, if the active voice is past indefinite, be verb will be was oblique were. If the active voice is past continuous, be verb will be was being oblique were being. The student, if the active voice is past perfect, be verb will be had been. The student, if the active voice is future indefinite, be verb will be oblique shall be. If the active voice is future continuous, a be verb will be shall be being oblique will be being. If the active voice is future perfect, be verb will be shall have been oblique will have been. The student, let's go for prepositions by. Generally, we use preposition by in the passive voice. but there are also prepositions we can use in the passive voice. After some special word, we can use other prepositions except by. Now, let's go for some example such as no. If the active voice is known, no, passive voice is no, replace preposition by to. Flock, replace prepositions by for. Please, replace preposition by at oblique with. Shock, replace preposition by at oblique with. Annoy, replace preposition by oblique at oblique with. Contain, replace preposition by in. Dear student, let's go for example about this. The student, please write down it and try to understand this kind of prepositions. Okay, student, let's go. Follow some example of these prepositions. Number 1, I know the boy. The Bengali meaning of this sentence, I know the boy, আমি বালকটিকে চিনি oblique জানি. So, at first, object will be subject, boy, object, noun, no sense. According to the tense and person অনুযায়ী বিভার, that is present indefinite, বিভার will be am is are, subject third person, verb is. Main verb past participle no, oblique no, new, known, and preposition to. Subject I will be object I, me. Object will be me. The student, now I think that is it clear? At first, object will be subject, then be verb, account tense and person, main verb 3, preposition replaced by 2, and subject will be object. Okay, student, let's go for another example. Number 2, he flock a follower. সে একটি he flocks a follower. The Bengali meaning of the sentence, সে একটি ফুল তুলল. তো প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে object will be subject a follower, present tense verb is, main verb past participle flock, flocked, flock, for replace of by, subject will be object he, him. Okay, student, now this two example is clear. Let's go for other example. His behavior pleased me. His behavior pleased me. He pleased me. The student follow these two example. His behavior please me and he please me. Already we have written please after preposition at oblique with. There is a please and there is also pleased. Bear in mind that subject অর্থাৎ কর্তার আচরণ বুঝালে প্লিজের পরে আমরা নিতে পারি অ্যাট, আর ডাইরেক্ট কর্তা বা সাবজেক্ট বোঝালে আমরা প্লিজের পরে নিতে পারি কি উইথ। ওকে স্টুডেন্ট, সো অ্যাট অ্যান্ড উইথ there is a difference. Direct ব্যক্তি প্লিজ উইথ অ্যান্ড ব্যক্তির আচরণ বুঝালে প্লিজ অ্যাট। So let's go for example. Object me will be subject I, past tense was, main verb pleased. The student his behavior সরাসরি ব্যক্তি না, ব্যক্তির আচরণ। So we can use here at, preposition at replace of by, at his object his behavior, subject will be object his behavior, be happy or. Okay student, here is number 4. Object me will be subject I, past tense oblique was, pleased with, সরাসরি কর্তা অর্থাৎ ডাইরেক্ট কর্তা বোঝালে আমরা প্রিন্সিপাল কিন্তু উইথ, অ্যান্ড ব্যক্তির আচরণ বোঝালে আমরা নিতে পারি কি অ্যাট। সো রিপ্লেস অফ বাই প্রিপোজিশন উইথ, subject will be object he, him. Okay student. The student, now let's go our main topics. How can we turn into passive to active voice? The student, you should clear your mind that only one word in the passive voice being words. Being words. If there is no being in the passive voice, turn into active voice, বিভার অ্যামিজার ওয়াজার উইল বি ডিলিট। অর্থাৎ যদি প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে বিং না থাকে তাহলে প্যাসিভ থেকে অ্যাক্টিভ করার সময় অ্যামিজার ওয়াজার বিভিন উঠে যাবে। স্টুডেন্ট, লেটস গো ফর এক্সাম্পল। I, the work is done by. Dear student, bear in mind that most of the students don't recognize what is active voice and passive voice. Dear student, before going to start this example, now I will write how can we recognize passive voice and active voice. Dear student, bear in mind that বিভার বিভার am, is, are, was, where, be, been plus verb 3. You can easily understand if am, is, are, was, are, be, been, being plus verb 3, this will be passive voice and others will be active voice. Okay student, please write down it on your khata. It will be easy for you to recognize, understand What is active voice and passive voice? Follow. Am is or was are being plus verb 3. It will be passive voice. Okay, student. Let's go for example. How can we turn into passive to active? The work is done by him. Student, follow. Be verb, am is are, verb 3. It is passive voice. It is passive voice. So, how can you turn into passive to active? At first, subject. In the passive voice, subject remain in the last of the sentence. So, him at first, subject will be he. There is no being. There is no being of the sentence. So, you can delete am is or was are being. But there is a being, you cannot sense am is or was are being. তুমি এগুলো বাদ দিতে পারো না. So, him oblique subject will be he. There is no being, so delete am is are. So, am is are সাধারণত generally we use present indefinite tense. He subject do, তাহলে কি হবে? Does. He does generally by out, him, he. Present tense verb এখন subject verb sense subject third person ভার্বের সঙ্গে s by s object the word. Okay, student, is it clear? Let's go for another example. The book was written by Shamim. The student be verb. Am is or was are verb 3. So we can recognize it passive voice. Turn into active voice. At first, subject Shamim. Past tense. There is no being. Verb will be delayed. When verb will be delayed, this turn into past indefinite tense. Verb 2. Shamim wrote. By delayed. Shamim subject object was delayed. There is no being. Verb 2 and object the book. Okay, student, for your clear understanding, I tell you again, there is no being in the active voice. There is no being in the active voice. Be verb will be delayed. When verb will be delayed, active voice. The student, when verb delayed, active voice turn into. When am is are will be delayed, active voice turn into present indefinite tense. When was are will be delayed, active voice turn into past indefinite tense. That is way we can solve passive to active. Student, let's go for another example. Me. The work has been done by me. So me will be object subject I. There is no being oblique delayed. Has will be sense. Have verb 3 present perfect tense and object the Well, dear student, now we learn that there is a being in the passive voice. If there is a being in the passive voice, behavior will not be key sense. The book is being written by him. There is a being in the passive voice. There is a being in the passive voice. Being verb will be not delayed. So object him will be subject. He, being verb notion he is. Verb will be sense according to subject. Being, there is a being. When being will be delayed, ing will be at present indefinite present form. He is writing the book. The student, let know more. If you have a problem, please comment our box. I will try my best to learn it properly. Thank you so much.